When you open Printify catalog, you will see categories, and when you enter each one, you will see a variety of brands and specific products where you can place your design to print with different providers. All of this can be very overwhelming. For example, if you want to sell a t-shirt, when you go into the catalog and choose t-shirts, you will see a list of many brands and products. You can also see on the product that it has a tag. If it is a best-selling product, on every page where products are listed. If you are new, you can use the best-selling tab. Click on the catalog on the side and then click bestsellers. These are the best-selling products based on data from all the sellers using Printify, whether on Etsy, Amazon, or WooCommerce. Printify track what every seller is selling, and based on that data, you can choose the best-selling products. If you are unsure which one to choose, go to the best-selling tab, where you will have fewer options. This makes it easier to find a product and get more information about it from other videos that compare specific brands. That way, you can make a better choice for the product you will use to build your brand and your store. On the side, you can see more options to choose from, so you don't need to go through the entire catalog. You can narrow down the option based on printing areas, product brands, providers, and more. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.